Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla o Konrad ke sangma hagasi Pyllait jong kata yo ula pelat ba ia ke projek risniang jong ke Jylla ke bakot kumba ars pak Klur Tyngka ke badeiru ke projek risniang ke bahedu hakari ia kini ke projek la pelat ba na ke headquarter jong ke National Cooperative Development Corporation na New Delhi ha ke jingiran lang Myntri kena jong ke sarkar pedeng ubadei kmi ia ke tenat karep karyang bat ke bahaka miat jong kinong rem Kailash Chaudhary bat usembut Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla ubat pres tun song. Kani ke projek risniang jong ke Jylla kadi sibenta jong Meghalaya State Piggery Mission. Kabanyarap ke Jylla bahkan nak penmihi naladi ye kisniang na kabenta ban syokdo ke Jylla. Haba pelat ye kani ke projek Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla ula ai kublai ke sarkar India bat ye ke NCDC. Bakila Klur ban ai ke jingi trailang bat ke Jylla Meghalaya ban pensai so ia ke Meghalaya Piggery Mission. Uang ba da ke jing bei Tyngka hadu ars pak Klur Tyngka. Ka mission ban wanra ke jing kela ke babun bat kan ai jing mentoy ia palat arpo wajar ngut kinong risniang ha Meghalaya. Uang ba kan ia kan deiru kadak ke bapen i ke jingi trailang ke bala slembha ha pedeng ke NCDC bat ke sarkar Jylla klem daklet ia ke jingi trailang ha ka milk mission jong usnem balala. Uang ba ka Meghalaya State Piggery Mission bala kersan dak NCDC kan ia rap ia ke Jylla ban la pendap hi naladi ia ke dok sniang. Bat kan penduna ia ke jing shalan sniang na sabar ka bakot hadu sispa sanpo Klur Tyngka sisnem. Bat kan kentiuru ia ke yok kokot jong ke Jylla palat arpusan hajar teli kilong ying kaban kenjo ia ka nyopo Klur Tyngka sisnem ha ke Jylla hi berakowe. Upen tebru bakat kum kani commission kinong risniang juga Jylla ken yo ru ya karam kaba klem sud ha kaba ya kasud on siv hino ada sarkar kum kalenti ban penslur kinong risniang bakin sheme karam.
We are going to target 18,000 breeders and 6,282 fatteners in this. We expect that on an annual basis about 155 crores will be earned by the breeders and fatteners will earn about 284 crores. We also expect that other butchers and kiosks and other service providers will again add another 207 crores. So we expect about 600 to 700 crores of revenue to be generated from this to the farmers. So it's a huge multiplier effect that we will see at the grassroots level. And that is the reason why, after doing all this analysis, we realized that this is a project that can really make a difference. It's a low-hanging fruit where the demand is there, the price is there, and we just need to connect the dots to be able to provide the opportunity to the farmers. And that's really what has pushed us. We also realized that in the whole Northeast, as was mentioned by Mr. I think Goswami, if I'm not wrong, that we have a shortage of almost 50% in terms of production in the entire Northeast region.